Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: VSCode installed, an AI extension chosen, and your workspace open. Once done, sign into the extension and add any API key or token. This authorizes suggestions. Make sure to enable the extension in settings and restart the editor so features load. You'll want a sample file ready to test completion and inline suggestions. This early action gets the tool working quickly, so you can iterate and avoid wasted setup time. Now focus on configuration and practical use. You should tweak suggestion frequency, inline completions, and privacy settings to match your workflow. This reduces noise. Once configured, guide the AI with clear comments, function signatures, and short examples so suggestions are relevant. Try accepting completions, then edit them. You'll learn when to trust the model. Make use of multi-line completions and snippets for repetitive patterns. If performance lags, lower suggestion frequency, and close heavy extensions. Finish by validating AI output. Run unit tests, linters, and static analyzers to catch errors the model missed. Once done, commit only vetted changes. If suggestions drift or stop appearing, disable and re-enable the extension. Check your API key or reinstall. This often resolves sync issues. Also monitor CPU and memory. Heavy inference can slow VS Code, so update extensions and the editor regularly. One key tip: if completions are consistently wrong, reduce context or provide a minimal reproducible prompt for better results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.